In this tutorial, we will explore several ways in which the Drooms AI Assistant can streamline the manual document review process within the data room. To begin, select any documents from your data room index. Once it's open, you'll see the AI Assistant icon in the menu on the right. Click it to open the AI Assistant panel. You can also open it directly from the index by clicking the three-dot button and selecting it from the context menu. To start a new conversation, click the New Chat button. Type any question you have directly into the chat. You may ask your question in your preferred language, regardless of the document's original language. For this example, let's ask it to extract the key financial metrics for Exempli Store for the year 2023. The assistant will instantly provide a detailed response. Along with it, you'll see numbered buttons referencing the pages with specific sections of the document being discussed. Click a numbered button to visually highlight those sections in the document. Once clicked, the highlight will remain, allowing you to review the entire document. Let's move on to a new example in a different document. In this corporate rental agreement file, let's ask, assess the risks in this contract from the tenant's perspective. And the assistant has already provided you with fresh insights. If you want to delete the conversation history for that document, click Clear at the top right of the AI Assistant panel. You can switch between files in your index, and the AI Assistant will retrieve any previous conversation related to that specific document. You can also copy any response by clicking the Copy button and share it via Drooms Chat, for example. For more help, contact our support team through our website or just ask the AI chat.